Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Deltona, local and long-distance movers near me. If you seek a long-distance moving company to get you to or from Deltona, 3 Movers is an excellent choice. Florida has seen more than its fair share of moving company scams, so consumers are advised to watch out for shady operators in the relocation business. Sometimes companies are operating from thousands of miles away, pretending to be a local Florida business. 3 Movers is proud to serve Deltona and other Florida cities. We are registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, and follow the rules they set up to protect you from unscrupulous practices. When we come to your home to assess your move, we will provide you with material developed that tells you how to review and compare estimates from professional movers fairly. Always get a written estimate and ideally compare at least 3 bids from reputable companies before you decide. We can offer you a basic, inexpensive move or full-service options to take the burden of the move off your shoulders. 3 Movers is professional and experienced at all kinds of local relocation services. We can help move your household goods, whether you live in a small apartment or a huge house. We can move your retail business, your office, restaurant, or specialty commercial enterprise. Local moves are also usually made in a day, but that doesn't mean the mover you choose isn't important. It's still a great idea to compare estimates and check references before deciding. We are proud of our reputation in Deltona and hope to have the chance to serve you soon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Deltona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.